And here we are, Wall Street Pete, Sicto, in crypto. I thought you'd know. It's time. It's time for a video. It's time for some knowledge. It's time for some TA. It's time for positivity. We need some positive in our life. We need to fix this camera. It's very annoying. There's my girlfriend up there, Ethereum. There you are. Your girlfriend. My girlfriend. Pay attention. We've been talking about this definitely to mention for a while. If you want to learn how to make Sicto in crypto, Ethereum currently is 2,400 levels. Woo, she's on the cheap. And we don't want to weep when we miss some type of action that we've been here before. I don't know what it would do after, but we've seen something after a fall. I'm not sure. But Wall Street Pete, Sicto in crypto. Want to learn how to make Sicto in crypto? I need to talk about something here. Why do we have people who... Why are we not hitting the like button? Why are we not trying to get this out here? We need to talk about these things. Watch this. Here's some news for you right here. I got some special news for everybody in the Bitcoin and Ethereum. What's going to happen here? News about Bitcoin climbs as regulators propose banking capital. There's going to be a problem here when we start getting regulated. Pay attention, definitely to mention. Bitcoin, 1 hour ago. Bitcoin climbs to 1 week high, hitting 38,000 as the cryptocurrency shrugs off renewed calls for tighter regulation. Shocker. What's going on is Bitcoin on Thursday. I know this stuff's annoying. I apologize, but we're going to go through it. Extended its 2-day gain to 20%, hitting 38.211 at 6:38 a.m. Eastern Time. It was trading at 37,036 as of 11:15 a.m. Eastern Time. The price of the world's most popular cryptocurrency is now back to January's levels. Haha, did I not say that? Happy New Year! Did I not do this over my channel? Probably not, because no one fucking remembers my channel because I'm a little guy and no one pays attention, except for the people who are making money, definitely to mention. Recent data from Chain Analysis reveal that investors appear to be holding even if they are not buying much. This is the blockchain analysis company said. Suggests that conviction in Bitcoin from earlier in the year continues. So long story short of this whole junk. What's up, RJ? What's up, Todd? What does he say? Coinbase has launched 3 new coins at noon. AMP, which is amazing. MLM and GTC, excellent. Yesterday, Ethereum chart was not following Matic like normal. Why that happened? Also, Matic, well, we're going to go over it. So what's going on is we're just going to continue to have bullish news about what's going on. We're going to pay attention to the regulation. We avoid these bullets as we're trading 2,486 on the Ethereum price. If you've hit the like button, please hit the like, subscribe. We're going on a ride. We're going to the moon, and we're going soon, ladies and gentlemen. I want you to understand what's happening here. This is the 4-hourly. Let's look at the hourly. Let's see what's going on. Ooh, the hourly we broke through down, but if you still look here on this hump here, we are continuing to hold. We need a V to get some strength on my RSI. We need to take a peek at the chart of what Big Daddy's doing, right? What's Big Daddy doing? Well, Big Daddy, I'm expecting to fall down. I'm rooting for this price. I want to get to this price, right? So I'm not getting there yet. It's going to be a while before we see 42. But this is what we need to do. All right. So seriously speaking here, we need to look at this. This is a problem here. But this is a good problem. We need to get to these levels. We need to get to this price. 35,501, 35,502 if you see it. This is the Fibonacci sequence. This is not it's not a percentage. Somebody tried to educate me on this that didn't know what they were talking about. We just ended it and crunched it from there. It didn't make sense, but long story short, the conversation was not good. It was just, I felt it was negative for some reason. I was trying not to be. So it's 35,502. This is my TA. All right. If you don't like it, you don't have to like it. I didn't tell you to fucking like my TA. It's 35,501. I want to see candles fall down to here, but then I get scared and then I need that bounce, because what happens here is if I don't get that, we're going to get our second downward M, and that's really going to suck. And this is what I've been trying to preach and teach to everyone. What are you talking about, Pete? Well, we're talking about the dead cat bounce that we get here. And then if you see my high is just there. But if you look here, my high is up here. So we'll make it yellow so you can really understand the downward M. And then here. So what are we doing? We're following through with our downward M. And if you notice, I never have to go any higher than there. And then now you can just get rid of it and you can finally see what I'm talking about. You see my M in yellow? So it's a downward M. Whether you like it or not, that's a downward M. It's a bearish scenario. This is not any indicators. This is just real quick what we do, right? We go over this. This is one of our indicators here. We just go over it really fast. Pay attention, definitely to mention, see what's going on. Get rid of some of the other bullshit out of there. But we don't want that to fall through. That could happen, and then we'd be down here at the 27,000, like I said before. So we're not out of the woods yet. But do we look really nice here? Yes, we do, as I stutter. We look beautiful. Here's the head, right? Let's get some type of shoulder here. That would be nice. That's where I want to create my head, and this is what I'm trying to explain to you. The head, right? Then we talk about here. We talk about the shoulder. This is what I'm hoping for. Something similar to this, and then we could jump off on the shoulder, get as much as we can out of here, and if we break through the 39.5, well, then we have a whole nother ball game. This is a whole nother different level. We're talking a whole different game here. The 39.5 would be something different. If we broke out of here, then we would be saying, okay, I mean, really, but we'd have to stay above. We can't just break through a little and then say, oh, okay, we went 39.6, Pete. No, if we hit resistance off 39.6, that's the resistance I'm telling you we're hitting. So please hit that like button if you have not yet to do it. We're going to have to go over AMP, MLN, and GTC, as that's something important hitting into the world of the Bitcoin. Yes, that's big. Engine's trading $1.31. Matic is trading $1.38. Some people are just getting sick to their stomachs. These altcoins are getting their ass kicked. This is the truth. That's for a fact. I see what's going on here, but we're trying to make our way back all the way through. So what we're going to talk about here is a little bit of TA, get a little indicator here and there out. We have to understand what is going on, because this is now what, our forwardly. So if we're on the forwardly chart, let's look at the Bitcoin price, 4 hours. What's been happening with my 4 hours? I'm going to see if I have any diamonds that might be occurring. No, don't see anything there. My DMI's got a big open gap right here, so it's nothing for me to be excited. I do see that my resistance is going down, which is going to enable the price to go up, but that's my forwardly. So the forwardly's been saying that. So let's get to the hourly. So I click to the hourly, and now the hourly's telling me that the price, okay, the buying's down. Everything's heading down. You see everything? So that's good. I like that, because now it reminds me of a fake out. I need the buying power to shoot up from here. This is the 15-minute. This is the 15. So pay attention to the 15. Let's get rid of the DMI. I'm done looking at the DMI. The 15-minute. Okay, so this is looking a little bullish. I like this. Remember, these are 15 minutes. So the 15-minute at 6:15. Well, this is this morning. The news we were just talking about, right? They said 211. They said 38.211 was the high. I guess at the current time of when they did it. So about 38.211. Obviously, TradingView's telling us higher than that. So I don't know what they're speaking of, but that's fine. We can go with that. So then they're saying this 15 minutes. So look at this percentage on 15. That's an hourly candle. That's a sexy hourly candle. So from the 5:30 candle, 5:15, so somewhere around the 5 o'clock candle, this morning we got a nice percentage. We definitely did something strong here. Let's take a peek what we did. This could be boring. I know some people find it boring. It is what it is. Sometimes my videos will be boring. They're always going to be exciting, but it's 5%. So we're a little over 5% growth from when you woke up, maybe when I did at 5 in the morning, all the way through across into the 6 o'clock. Finished at the 6:15 time, and we were right about the 38,000 above. Now we're falling through here. Funny how we're just hitting this resistance here. Now we continue to hit. That's something, right? Even the 15 minutes, we looked, the landing gear came out. That's what I'm trying to explain to you. Unfortunately, I'm not one of these big dogs yet. I am making money. I'm making sick dough in crypto. Some of y'all are making some money too, but you have to be remembering that I am not a registered financial advisor. We do this for entertainment purposes, definitely. This is right here, the RSI, Relative Strength Index chart on 4 hours for Ethereum. I'm going to start banging out some prices here. I want to see if this makes sense to anybody, see if this helps you out. Where we're going here is the 35.5. I made that very, very clear that the 35.5, we're rooting for it to come down. Hopefully this is the shoulder, right? We already did that, so I could delete some of this shit. This is the 15 minutes, so we need to bang it out a little more, get a little bigger. There it is. So now this looks much better. So now we're looking at the charts. We're looking at the 35. We want this to fall down and bounce. So I want these next candles to do a typical 38.2. retracement, pullback, however you want to call it. It's not a retracement. A retracement is when we're going down. This is the down. This is the retracement. This is the retracement. So it is considered. I guess that's why we let it be. Long story short of it all, we're looking for the 35.5. That's where I'm looking to be. I'm rooting for this. I'm rooting for this. Come on, 35.5. I know you've never heard of shit like this in your life, trying to long position something, but this is what I'm saying. Come on, 35.5. Let's go. I'm serious. I know it sounds crazy, but this is the truth. I'm rooting for that. That's what I'm rooting for. That's what I hope. I do hope that it comes out. And that will be an indicator. If we start bouncing immediately, you'll get this type of parabolic action, and you will get some serious satisfaction. We'll stop, get resistance somewhere around the 40,000. You'll see what happens. The resistance will be real. I'm going to leave you off with what I think is going to happen, because this is hard. It's up to the whales. It's not up to me. I hope you understand that. It's not up to me right now. This price doesn't, I can't tell you what's happening with the price when my money's not going in and out like crazy. I'm not a whale. So if I'm not buying 1.5 billion of Bitcoin at a time, and I'm not talking to my other whales, I can't tell you what I think is going to happen from there. That's why we do technical analysis. That's why we do this. It's high volatile waves. That's why I tell you, be careful, because you can lose your shirt. You can get your ass kicked if you don't know what's going on. You may see the downward M. This is forwardly. Every candle's 4 hours. You may see this, and you may not see this. And then when that happens, you're not going to know what to do. You're going to shit your pants because you're not aware of the market. That's why I say be careful. Definitely, if you're shorting or longing this market, you have to be careful. I don't like shorting this market. I do like shorting it. I'm a liar, but I am not a fan of shorting it, if I were to be honest. I'm not a fan of shorting Bitcoin because I know the potential, wasted, unused talent. Bitcoin's got some serious talent. It may sound like a joke, but it's the belief in Bitcoin. The people are believing. Talk to El Salvador. That's now made it a legal tender. It's going to be adopted everywhere. What happens when the tri-state, New York, all of a sudden you buy a burger with it, and now everybody in New York is buying burgers with their Bitcoin? Fuck, you ain't buying no burgers with my Bitcoin. You ain't getting my Bitcoin. I ain't buying no burgers because I'm on a diet. This is some of the stuff we talk about. Wall Street Pete, Sicto, Crypto. We can go through some of the things I do here. That was funny as hell what I did, but I don't want to go through that. I want to talk about some things that I was posting, because there was some serious posts that needed to be done. Talking about eating my shake. We're talking about it here. If you follow me on Instagram, we did talk about Ethereum Classic. Ethereum Classic right now, if you're paying attention, I was doing a price here that it really made me understand we have to pay attention to the 58.2. So I want to go back right now and pay attention to that, because that was one of the things on here I wanted to talk about. Ethereum Classic, here it is. Let's get rid of that. Ethereum Classic, I really feel like needs to be somewhere higher than 58. It's a joke, right? So we're going to do a little bit of Ethereum Classic too, break that down, see where we should be. Bitcoin, I have a very bullish action there. Until we hit the 35.5, we will not be on again. If we hit 35.5 on Bitcoin, I just want everyone to understand that. If we hit this price or we start rocketing higher with the strength, come on, 35.5, let's go. Hit the like and subscribe if you've not hit the like button yet. When you hit the subscribe button, you'll be able to go live and with me and ask questions if you'd like. As RJ was just giving his 2 cents. Thank you, RJ. I don't see anybody else talking for a minute. Let's see if we go to the super chat. So we're going to break down an Ethereum Classic for a minute. I just want to break that down really quick, give everyone understanding. There's Wally the Whale. Say what's up to Wally the Whale. What's going on? My girlfriend Ethereum. We are the wolves of Wall Street, as you can see. The sharks are here, right? The whales are about to be on top of the sharks. This is just pay attention. The bear season, right? Stronger. There's all types of things in the background here that gives you understandings. You have to dream big, and if you're not dreaming, dream bigger. I'm just going into the super chat, seeing if anybody wanted to say hello, talk. We got real quiet, so now we're going to break down Ethereum on the charts. Ethereum Classic, as it is a classic. So we're going to go over to it now. Let's go. Hit the like button if you've not done it. We need the algorithm to go through the moon. Let's take a peek. I need to see how many we have, because sometimes I feel like I get people who can't even speak English try to speak my language and try to talk around the Bitcoin price. It's going to be price is nice. And it's like, how come you have 2,000 followers? How come you have 2,000 people watching right now? But yet here I am trying to do anything to help people, and nobody gives a stinking ass. So we're going to go take a peek right now. Sometimes I feel like come out. The X. Hit the X button. Hit the X button. And then hit the like. We got 10 likes. We got more people than that watch. That's fine. We always get only 100 viewers anyway. I don't know why. But okay, here's Ethereum Classic. So Ethereum Classic is falling down. This is the 4-weekly candle. Each candle represents 4. So let's go to the May 12th. I want to go to the May 12th. Why don't we go to the May 12th, everybody? Why is Wall Street Peace so gung-ho on May 12th? Let's go to the May 12th candle, the May 12th price. The May 12th candle, the very, very one before it's about to turn. I want to see. Let's see if we go up here. Okay, we can go up top. There it is before it's about to turn. 113, 114. Yes. I have a sell stop. I bullshit you not. I'm not lying to nobody, but I have a sell stop at 114 to sell. That's what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing with Ethereum Classic. If you're stuck at it, $114, I'm selling. Not all of it. I just got to teach everybody. What's up, Dr. Rainey Insaney? Let's go. We got some of the people in here that we talk to all the time. And if you're interested in the PlayStation Digital 5 PlayStation, you're going to find out that tonight we're going to talk about the Digital 5, the PlayStation Digital 5 raffle. We're going to raffle it off. If you do what I say, you're going to find ways to win entries for multiple chances to win one. That's what we're going to do. We're going to put the names in a hat. I'm going to say, okay, Dr. Rainey. Okay, you did something cool, Dr. Rainey. Boom, you're in the hat. You understand what I'm saying? And then you're a follower since the beginning. Up, Dr. Rainey, he gets another entry. Oh, you're a donator. Dr. Rainey has donated money. Oh, another thing in the hat. I'm not just picking on Rainey because of it. He just happened to say, what's up? I seen him come in. Same thing as anyone. Alex, the same thing. Alex has been here for a while. Yeah, no feet pics. I don't want you to get excited and then disappear off my channel. I want you to, listen and follow. Same thing here. Boom. Alex, we'll put Alex's name in because he's been a follower since like 100 subscribers. So Alex gets an automatic extra chance to win. And I'll put Alex's thing in here. I'm actually going to go buy the PlayStation 5 at the end of this month. Maybe I'll go live and we'll do a YouTube channel of me walking into the store and buying it. Is that cheesy? I don't know. It's just to show proof I'd buy it. Then you're going to, on the side, give me your address. Hit the like button if you like that idea. That's going to be cool. You're going to get a chance to win a PlayStation 5. I thought that was pretty cool. How can I get into that Digital 5 PlayStation raffle? We're going to have 2 months to win it. In the month of August, I'm going to give out the winner. We're going to spend a half-hour show. We're going to just basically put all the names in. We're going to do a chart of how they got the extra. Everyone's going to get one if you're a subscriber. So if you're a subscriber for more than 60 days, 2 months, 2 months, you're in. All right. So be a subscriber for 2 months. So if you subscribe today, you have 2 months for the raffle to be in. So you're automatically in. Sorry, Jeff, I couldn't get your call. This is why we're here. So PlayStation 5, digital PlayStation 5. This is happening. You're getting a PlayStation Digital 5. I'm not bullshitting. It's really happening. There's going to be a winner. It's not going to be fixed. You're going to get one. It's the truth. We're not lying. So get ready. We're going to have one. It's just a PlayStation 5. It's nothing crazy. It's going to be the digital one. Everything's digital in life. We're going to raffle it off in the month of August. You have some time. Now let's get to Ethereum. Let's talk about what we were here for. I just wanted to let everyone understand that we're trying to do different things on here. I want to make people have a good time, laugh. Here's the downward trend, right? We broke through the neckline. All right. So this is where I'm getting excited now because look what we did here. This is the Ethereum Classic, and it's a classic, isn't it? 4 hours. We're into it. We're going to go all the way down. Pay attention, definitely to mention. Something's happening here. Immediately, my eye sees it. Oh, listen, the pineapple under the sea. Used to be Wall Street beat. Have a seat, motherfucker. I don't like feet. Let's go. Look at this. I know Alex likes feet. Alex, do you smell your feet at night before you go to sleep? Alex is a good follower of mine. We like to make jokes. Alex is a good dude, and I want you to know when he has his own channel, he does his own things, he's here to help you. Alex is a good guy. But here we go. We're going to break through. I'm trying to follow the trend line here. Okay, adjust. All right, what do we do? There we go. So here we go now. So this is what you're going to have to understand, what we're trying to break down Ethereum Classic. Now, interesting, right? Interesting. This is very interesting. I want you to understand this. How weird is it that my hex, my X right here where we meet, the price is very similar to the 13 I wanted to sell out. I didn't do that shit on purpose, okay? It's $1. It's 111. It comes out to 111 or one. That's where I wanted to sell at. So you understand how accurate This is wild. My trend lines are coming through. Oh, shit. I'm just so excited live. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for being excited. What's happening here is this is basically a support. 1,000% it's a support. It's a big, big, big support. Now, somewhere along here, you're going to want to get out sooner if we ever get up to the 100 level. Understandable. Alex is the man. That's all I can tell you. I love Alex. If anybody fucks with Alex, you're out of here like Vladimir. I'm not playing games. I got some special people in here. We got some cool people we talk to every day. What is this? Well, this is descending triangle. This is definitely not healthy. If we adjust our lines, and I do want to adjust as I go in and zoom in because this is not accurate. But I did see somewhere here on here that this is a big deal on this price. So I'm going to go here. I'm not even looking at the price. Notice I have not really looked at the price of anything. I'm just doing TA looking at it, 61. Okay, so 61 is telling me that something happens at the 61 level big time. How I know, I can't help you with that. I just know that. So we're going to go up and adjust because I'm wrong. You see what I mean? See how quickly it happens? Now pay attention. We're looking at the four-wheelie. The four-wheelie is going to tell me something that I need to understand. This is just working magic with your eye. Sometimes this is where I need to be. You need to see everything. It's hard to explain. You just have to see what's going on with the candles. You have to see where you've been. So what are we doing here? All right, so now I'm looking. This is in a descending triangle. This couldn't be any more bearish. This couldn't tell me any more fucking fall would be coming. This sucks, but hey. Now we adjust, right? We adjust down to the what? Down to the 56 price. Okay, so $56 on Ethereum Classic right now. This is something that is telling me that we're getting the descending triangle. It's a bearish wedge. That's what I see. But I do see that this price sum here, this action is giving me some comfort level. You understand that? Because we tried to fall down earlier, and we tried, and we tried, and we got denied, and we got denied, and now we're back up here. You see what happened here? This is what happened down here. So let's get rid of some of the shit that I just made a mess of. This is Ethereum Classic, as it's on the title. All right, so 49.6. That sucked. I didn't even know we went to there as of recent. I knew we went down to here. This was horrible. 39. I wanted to throw up. If you only knew how much I had. I had some I was holding. I wasn't shorting or longing. I didn't have the liquidity to do that, as I wish I did, but I will very shortly. We have things in the works coming here. We're going to be talking about Bitcoin a lot. We're going to be talking about Ethereum a lot. We're going to be talking about a lot of these big coins. As you notice here now, Dogecoin's at 32 cents. See, Cardano $1.53. VeChain is 11 cents. It was holding strong at 14 at one point. VThor, I need to get back to 1 cent. That's disgusting. Big fan of VThor. I want to get back to 1 cent immediately, please. We'll work on that. VThor will be a nice project with the VeChain. We'll be talking about that. Engine's under $1.44. Holy cow. Everything's on sale. I don't know if you understand. Bitcoin's falling. We're getting our M. Okay, so we're receiving the M. Look at this M chart. Pay attention, definitely to mention what's going on. You see the M forming, falling, whatever you may want to call it. This is the Bitcoin price. 30,000 somewhere, 31. That's where we were actually last time, so I'm not even going to fuck with the 31 again. This is where we went last time. Look at it, see it here? We need to create a new high-low. This has to be a new high-low here. If not, I'm going to be worried. So what's happening? We're falling. We're falling. Now, we can fall past the 355. You understand me? We can fall past the 35,500 and still be bullish. Okay? This is very important for you to understand. The bears may be winning this, but we could still pull this off. Understand, look what I did here with this. We never even fell down, but right back up. That's how strong we were. My last video, I talked about how we should come down on this Fibonacci sequence, and we did not. So this is what I'm trying to explain. We may never get there, but now we're finally forming that turn, that M. So I do believe that we're finally receiving what we're supposed to be receiving. You see it? That's where it is. So just move it over. Come on down. Come on down. That's where you want to be. We can fall all the way to this price. I'm sorry I jumped from here, from Ethereum Classic. I want you to understand that Ethereum Classic could fall again and go right through if this is what Bitcoin Daddy's doing. That's why it's important. That's why I'm jumping. Pay attention, definitely to mention. We could get this through here to here. We cannot, and I will tell you right now, we cannot do this. We cannot do this because that is not going to work. This is no good. That will definitely get a FOMO much lower to where we've seen. Obviously, common sense, 31,000 is no good. But if you look at the Fibonacci sequence, we can actually bounce back all the way from a crazy number. I want you to understand that this number right here, whatever this number is that this points to, this pointer, whatever this is right here, is like a safe haven. I'm not kidding. Whatever that is right there, that 32.3, 32.5, okay, 32.5 here, whatever this is, if we don't bounce, we're dead. That's it. I'm telling you, this is how the indicators work for me. So pay attention to that. This is a big deal. This is the Bitcoin price. This is a mess. I understand. There's a chance that we're going to get this bearish action. We're going to fall down. There's also a bigger chance, greater chance that I see here coming on the relative strength index chart that we may be going back up forwardly. Hourly falling, definitely. 15-minute, definitely falling. But look where we are in the 15. Every time, if you pay attention to what I'm trying to explain here, when we're up here and we're messing around on the relative strength index chart and we fall down to this level, we either break down more to what I was telling you where we would be, or we're going and bouncing, and then we're going back up for the wonderful ride that we've been doing. So you have to pay attention to that. It's really important because this ride that we've been going on is sexy, roxy. Hit that like, subscribe. We're going on a ride. We're going to the moon, and we're going soon. I hope you understand that the relative strength index chart falling down. Now we'll do one more indicator before we go. I will save this because I'd like to go over it again later with everyone. Ethereum Classic will close on. I want to tell you the up and down of Ethereum Classic as I promised I would. This is a big deal for us on the Bitcoin price. We do have to hit the 38.2, come back, and go through the 39.5 resistance. Apparently, we just created something new here. As you see, it's not really new. The 38, if you pay attention to the 38.2, we've definitely been here many, many, many times before. June 2nd, June 3rd, June 5th. So crash hard all the way down, roller coaster ride back up, crash hard, maybe not as hard, back to the 35.5. That's what I expect. I expect the 35.5 right here, boom, and then back up, chuck, chuck. What do you say? That's what I'm expecting. I'm excited. You're invited. Follow us. Like, subscribe. Wall Street Pete, Sicto in crypto, and then we'll talk about the rest of the ways on up. So right now I'm very bearish. I wanted to do the EMA really fast and see where we were on the price. So maybe I'll do that really fast here. Remove everything, remove drawings. Okay, so this is what I was talking about really quick. The EMA. So just wanted to do the EMA real quick where we are. Oh, damn. So look at the difference, ladies and gentlemen. Look at the difference of this. Oh, man. So we're going to come back down. Okay. You see how the bands look like they're going to flip, by the way. That's great news. If you look here, and I want everyone to understand really, really big. This is really big right here. Every time. See where we are? Look, this is the EMA band. I don't know if anyone understands that. This is the EMA ribbon. Okay? The EMA ribbon is in here. All right? Pay attention to that. The green, let's go at yellow. What do I have to do to make this? There we go. There's the EMA ribbon. Now the price. Pay attention to where the price is. What do I do? Pink to get the price? Here's the price, okay? Here's the price. Here's the price. Don't you realize every time we get above the band? Oh, wow. How did that happen? Fucking that's annoying. Okay. So here the pink, right? We talked about the pink. I want you to understand how important this is. This is really important stuff. I know to you it's probably dumb. Nobody understands it. This is where the price is. When the price is above the band. Now do you see what I'm looking at here? Look at this big mess. I know it looks like a big mess. It hurts your eyes. There's too many colors. All right. Maybe I break it down like that. The price represents the purple. And the purple is showing you that we're under the EMA band. Every time we're under the EMA, there's some type of either bigger fall that makes us go a little lower, and then the price action causes us to come through the EMA and come through the roof. Now, there's chances that the ribbon comes up with us. You see the ribbon trying to come with us? That will help. That will help us to be able to maintain the averages moving up to be where we need to be. If you look all the way up here above the band. Every time we fall, we're above the band. We have to be in the band sometimes. It's another one people don't pay attention to. It's another indicator. Indicators are huge. I want you to understand them. I really want you to understand that this is how that stuff may work. It's very important. A lot of people don't get it. Maybe now you do by looking at that. I just saved it. I had to. Ethereum Classic, I want to just do a real quick rundown before we go. This is what could happen on the Ethereum Classic now. Do we have an inverted head and shoulders pattern? Well, we won't have one unless this thing starts coming up. That's what I need the Ethereum Classic price to do. We need that. What's going to happen on the Ethereum Classic price if we don't start moving up? I mean, if we don't start falling? I'm sorry. That's so annoying. Well, then we're going to have to look at our indicators and understand that the last time we do here, we had a lot of problems here. I want to know the last time we had problems going down. The last time we had problems going down, well, that was this price. What am I talking about? Well, it's this price right here. This is definitely a problem. We're going to have a problem going up. It's going to be the 62, 63. You're definitely going to have some trouble breaking through the 63. So go on up a little bit, 63. That's going to be a problem for the ETC. Yeah, you know motherfucking me. ETC. Get a little resistance there. Pay attention to that. That's Ethereum Classic. We're back on there now. I just wanted to bang some out here for you to help you out. That was Ethereum Classic, the relative strength index chart. How does it look on the 4-weekly? Well, the 4-weekly, we were falling. I do like to bring this out a lot and see where we currently are. And yes, so the last time I was here, I see up. Okay, we did go up there, but we weren't touching. We touched, went down, fake man down, inverted dead cat bounce is what this is. That was a dead cat bounce here, which sucked. This is the inverted. Then you see the head and shoulders pattern. I'm looking for that here coming on the next move. Inverted head and shoulders. I'm looking for that right here on the next move. And then that's what I said, head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders. Something right there. I'm sorry. I just did it all wrong. Let's get rid of some of the bullshit. Shoulder, head, inverse. And we're moving and we're grooving. We'll see what happens from there. It's looking good. It's definitely looking good. Everything is looking well. Let's see if we can do that to the Bitcoin price real quick because that got me excited looking at that. I just want to see if we have anything going with the relative strength index. This is 15 minutes. That's why it's all fucked up. Okay, so let's see what we got. Same kind of thing. This is the 4-weekly, 4 hours. We did get some We got some down kill here, inverted, hopefully. We definitely went down low. Wow. Let's look at the Bitcoin dominance. I'm going to leave you off with that and get the hell out of here and say we're looking bullish or not. Give you my final prediction, where I think we're heading. This is something to pay attention to on the Bitcoin dominance. Jesus, let's get rid of that. I'm sorry. It gets annoying. We could just bang it out quick, though. No worries, no stress. All right, so from March 8th. March 8th was the last time we looked like we were going to pump here when we're going sideways. It's the Bitcoin dominance. A lot of people don't like this, but I do. I like it a lot. It's going to help me understand what I'm going through. All right, so I'm going to break it down here. So we broke the neckline on the Bitcoin dominance. Same thing as every chart's doing, every pattern's doing. Where do I want to be on the Bitcoin dominance? Well, to be very bullish and be very excited, I want to be above there. So we have to find a way to get to the Bitcoin dominance here. If you've noticed, we fooled around, flirted around a little bit around there. That was kind of cool. I didn't realize that it was that close. This is the Bitcoin dominance price here. This is the dominance, not the price, but it is going to help the price. If we go up, it's twice as nice, right? Pay attention, definitely to mention. So here's something here we got to pay attention to. Like I said, we've been all the way up at the 48.37. That's a big deal. I see some rising in the activity. El Salvador is accepting it as their legal tender. So I'm going to leave you off with we're on a bullish pattern. We're in a bullish way. 36.6. And I still say we're going up today. I'm very comfortable with what's happening. This is an M. Yes, it's a downward M. The yellow is a downward M. Pay attention. I'm going to get off now. Go eat some din maybe in a little bit. It's only 1:19. Woo! We got a long day ahead of us. I can go work out instead and then develop an appetite as I just had my protein shake a little bit ago. But I will have a good dinner and then I will see you is what I was going to say. Usually I eat dinner and I come on. Last night I got too exhausted. I couldn't do it. I was running around doing a lot of stuff. My ankle is in a lot of pain. I shouldn't be walking, I think. But it is what it is. Pay attention to this price. Pay attention to the 34.7, 34.8. We could still survive. It's very important. This is what I'm trying to explain to you here. Come on, let's go 35.5. So everyone, you forgot to do Matic, Pete. For you, I got to do it now. Son of a biatch. Why? Because I love my people. And he just said that I forgot. So, damn. Matic is in the works of an inverted head and shoulders, but it's not done yet. Matic has got time to fall still. I can just look at it. This is fucking sick. People probably think there's something wrong with me. I look at this, and it's starting to get its inverted head and shoulder pattern. This is Matic now. And... it's going to fall. It's going to continue to fall. You may see some support at the level. I don't know how far down, but then you'll get your inverted head and shoulders, which is what I'm talking about here. The head, I'm telling you, I already know it. I know this is such a half-ass way to do this. I'm so sorry. You don't deserve this. So I'm going to try and break it down a little better than this. But the problem is I'm going to be pretty accurate here, I would believe. One's going to believe and make you sick, 137. The 137 price is definitely a big deal. That's where we are now. That's something to look forward to. We will fall. I do see a fall coming. So, ladies and gentlemen, don't think that after I get off and it falls, they're going to say, oh, this idiot. I just said 35.5. This is going to be the Bitcoin. We're at 36.6, 36.7, so there's time to fall. There's room to fall. This is definitely something showing me another fall. What do I do with everything with my relative strength index? Well, I just go back to see where we were when we were here, and then I see, okay, well, we kept falling here. We fell a little bit more or before. No, we didn't, so we went up. We went up. Maybe we fell a little bit more, or were we on our way up already? See, look, we're already on our way up already. So follow that. So then we came, tested. This is a big deal here on the relative strength index chart. This is Polygon Matic. This is a big deal. It seems like we're doing that again. We were coming up. Came through not higher last time, not as much strength this time. We're focusing on Bitcoin maybe. All the money, all the whales are going into Bitcoin. That could be the problem. Ethereum, my girlfriend, maybe they're paying attention to that, right? The same girl. We've been messing around with the same damn girl. You're talking about the pink one, talking about the blue one. She told me that was turned off. Tell me it's that she's been playing us. We're talking about Ethereum. We're talking about Ethereum as my same girl. This is what it is. Ethereum is Matic Polygon. They are a bridge connection. If you pay attention to my last video, you should pay attention to it. It's a big deal. We talk about Polygon. We talk about XLM, Stellar. Pay attention to it. Matic, knowing what I know, Matic looks like it could get a bounce after this fall, or this could not be done yet with the fall. Pay attention, definitely to mention. I do see some action here. We're going to go another DMI. I just want to see this is Polygon Matic. I want to see what's going on. Okay, so it is telling me that we're going to fall still. All right, so there you go. 4 hourly says we're falling. Hold on. Hourly says we're falling. Okay. And the 15 minutes says we're falling, but not as hard. So pay attention to the Matic. Matic is definitely something going to the attic eventually. It's on sale. Matic is 1,000% on sale. What is the top price I'm looking for on the Matic? Well, if you see here, we tipped out right through here. There is the $1.66. I do have to zoom out for you a little better, buddy. Make sure I got you a better number because that is half-assed in the trash. That is, yes, 100% trash. That's not right. I'm sorry. There it is. Okay, so if you pay attention to the price here, this is going to be your problem. $1.55 is currently going to be somewhere as an issue. If you don't understand that, when it starts popping, this is when it starts popping now. This is when it's done falling. We come up, see this area right here where I said June 21st, which is not the fucking exact time. This line right here, you will get resistance at the $1.55. You may want a dollar cost average out. Matic, the attic, Matic, it's having problems. I'm telling you right now, everything's having issues. $1.59 price, just so we can put it out there for my live brother from another mother. $1.59 price will see resistance. Even if we go parabolic, I'm just trying to explain to you. Even if we go parabolic, you will see some resistance. This is a parabolic move in my eyes. If you've seen a candle that started coming through, right? Anybody, and you've seen the green candles doing this, all of a sudden doing this, wouldn't that be considered parabolic? And I will zoom out and I'll show you what the fuck I'm talking about. Maybe you'll agree a little better, right? Color. Okay, so there it is. Yeah. Look at these candles. Look at these weak-ass candles. Right now, they look parabolic. That was the worst candle in the world. Oh, my God. There you go. Let's do that. So just imagine seeing a candle like that. Okay, that's much better. That's why I'm not in our class anymore. Pay attention to this kind of stuff because you will see the parabolic. It'll go through after some time. I'm not saying it's happening right now. I'm trying to explain to you that when we do come off this bounce and we get the inverted head and shoulders pattern that we did before, what does it look like? Well, it looks something weird where you get this head, you get this shoulder-like substance, right? That's not it. I'm sorry. I apologize. There it is. So you'll get something similar to that, and then you'll look and go, oh, that's what he's talking about. And then you'll just have to observe from here. We'll go live again. Hopefully I can help everyone out. As we've gone over the time limit that I wanted to spend today, please hit the like, subscribe button. We're going on a ride. We're going to the moon. We're going soon. This is why I go over this stuff. This is Matic Polygon. Everyone is interested in Matic. Hey, Pete, I saw a few people talking about ZOO. What do you think? Zoo. It's another shit coin. The fucking crypto market's a zoo. That's what I think. You know what it is? You can short and long this market, and you only want to short and long the market with the good coins. It's just unfortunate, but there's a lot of shit coins out there. I only want to invest my money in the ones that I know that are good, and that's Bitcoin. That's Ethereum. It is what it is. This is what I'm talking about. These are the most important ones. I just want you to understand that there's nothing more important than these coins. Ethereum, Cardano, Dogecoin is starting to get attention. Ethereum Classic, it's another one. Polygon, Engine I like. VeChain, I'm huge on VeChain. VeChain, when it starts exploding, I'm trying to help you understand. Look what it's doing. Nobody sees this but me, maybe. There's some action going here. This is the 15-minute. Okay, go to the forwardly. Still pay attention to what I'm showing you. Break down VeChain. Look what VeChain's doing. VeChain is trying to break out. VeChain is coming all the way up to a previous support level that was problems, and now it's trying to break out, but it's still on the downward trend. That's what everyone's forgetting. That's where everyone's acknowledgement is missing. You have to know when the bullish trend is here. When is it here? It's when the whales decide to put more money in and stop fucking us. This is VeChain. Look what VeChain's doing. Look at this shit. It's nuts. Pay attention, definitely to mention. This is coming on the downward spike here. This is VeChain. We were at the 15 cents up here. I do expect to hit resistance again. This is just easy stuff here. This is easy. Anyone could do this TA when you're looking at it like this. Some people I know, this sounds crazy. This wasn't the real resistance. The real resistance was somewhere in here. This is where you got a real problem. We're not far from it. But I want you to understand, once we start breaking through, VeChain is going to give us some other action here. 17 cents. It's amazing. Right here in this V is important where we're at. We need to break through. So what do we need to do? Well, we see new high, low highs, high lows. Look. There it is, right? It was lower. Now we're higher up. Now we're going higher up. We were down here. Now we're going higher up. We have to maintain the next high level up at the 12.6. So there it is. We break it down. We start I'm talking a stupid shit. 12.6 for the VeChain price, which we're under, is somewhere we need to be back. So this is kind of what you need to do. This is my technical analysis if it helps. I know some people it doesn't, but if you see the new prices that we continue to create, we're doing the New Year's all over again. What am I talking about? Well, somebody just said, as we said in the beginning of the video, they said that, well, it's back to January prices. Well, back to January prices is very nice. It's because you could start all over again and get to the same pattern and go in a very high volatile way up because we've already taken an ass whooping. And the whales will start forming this, and it'll be this way or it's going to be this way. Let's be real. There's only two ways to go in a market unless it's going to go sideways for 2 years. I don't see that happening, but look at this cross. Look at this crisscross. VeChain is going to do something. It's the same thing as Bitcoin. We're all waiting. So while we're waiting, hit that like, subscribe, baby. We're going on a ride. We're going to the moon, and damn, we're going soon. Sicto in crypto. I thought you'd know. Have a great evening. Hopefully to see you later tonight. We're not going to probably come on at 8 p.m., but we will be on tonight. So we're going to have a good day. Na, 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 na. Woo! Ain't no one got a time today. So hit that like, subscribe, baby. La da da da. Going to the moon soon. Wall Street Pete.